What's going on, guys? This is Aaron here, and yeah, we're gonna get into the stream, starting it off by just giving you guys a couple seconds to join the stream, and then we're gonna be talking about the big moves once again in the cannabis sector. Sorry, guys. Let me just get the comments set up. Whoa. Okay. How's everybody doing today? Oh no, the thumb didn't change. That's a great question. What's going on? I gotta change this thumbnail. Sorry guys, I don't know what's happening. Let's see. I messed up and chose the wrong thumbnail. There we go. Alright, cool. So we're going to be taking a look at Aurora, obviously. Aurora's running like crazy today. We're going to be talking about some news. Aphria CEO stepping down. Tons of stuff going on today, and we're seeing just a massive rally again. Who can complain about the green? There we go. I don't like that thumbnail. There we go. Hit that like button, guys, for anybody new to the stream. Thanks so much for watching, and we're gonna get straight into this. So, we're seeing Wall Street in the red today, actually. Just mildly in the red after that big, long rally, but we're gonna get straight into the cannabis stocks now. All right, guys, so we're seeing Tilray lead the show. I wanna do a little bit more research on Tilray. International Canada Brands, IGC, Alkaline Water. That's a really interesting company to take a look at too. Hello, Moner Beats. What's going on, buddy? So many stocks up today. Choom, New Strike Brands, Aurora Cannabis back up to 850. It feels like yesterday when Aurora was sitting at like $7, $6. That stock made a crazy run. T-God up 7%. Harvest One up 5.7%. Bunch of stocks in the green. Let's take a look and see what's in the red. We're seeing FSD Pharma in the red heavily. Hit that like button, guys. Anybody new to the stream, thank you for watching. FSD Pharma sinking like crazy today after that big run that we had. Heritage Cannabis, Liberty Leaf, Tilt, Namaste selling off just a little bit more. So what's up, Armando? What's up, Ramdat? Hit that like button if you're new to the stream. Thank you, guys. I know today is not going to be super busy. A couple other channels might be live streaming, but thanks for watching. And we're going to be taking a look at this article that came out from the Financial Post. We'll compare a couple articles, but Aphria shares gain after pot grower reveals CEO is stepping down. What's up, Sales Education Channel? I haven't seen you in here before. What's going on? It was just time. Really? Vic Newfield says more. Move has nothing to do with this short seller's attack on the share slump. Beleaguered cannabis producer Aphria Inc.'s chief executive officer stepping down following short selling allegations that have hit the company stock. CEO Vic Newfield and co-founder Cole I don't know how to say that, even though I'm Italian, are both nearing the end of their 5-year journey with the company and will transition to their executive roles over the coming months, but remain on the board. The company said in a statement on Friday, newly appointed chairman Irwin Simon and president Jacob Ripstein, who joined the company from Diageo PLC, will complete a smooth and responsible transition to a globally minded executive leadership team, the company said. With a new management team, the company has a chance to a brighter future, and we are accordingly moving on to new projects. So that's interesting. What am I watching to buy right now? We'll get into that in a second. We need to break key resistance on Aurora at 863. Let's do it. Yes, sir, NTB, looking like a green week for the cannabis stocks. I'm super happy about that. It's looking good. You think Aurora has new support lines now instead of around $5 US? I think the support for Aurora has moved up a little bit. Let's hope. I mean, yeah. So the leadership transition comes after short sellers Hindenburg Research and Quintessential Capital Management sparked a plunge in Aphria's shares last month. Blah, 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 blah. We know that. Stock rebounded more than 50% of its value after December 3rd, but has since recouped much of that, including a 6.2% gain to $9.25. Whoa, I don't want to play that video. It's just time for us to move aside. So what do you guys think about Newfield leaving? Do you think that he's leaving because he wants to leave, or it's just time that he leaves after that whole ordeal? I'm not too sure, guys, but there had to be a change, I feel like, once Aphria came under short attack. So anyways, we can't access this article. That's so weird. Whatever. We read the one for you guys. Anyways, what do you think about Aphria CEO stepping down? Let me know. Drop me some comments. We're going to recap a couple more sectors right now. So, guys, we're going to take a quick look at the major We're going to take a look at the major indices, commodities, and then back to the cannabis stocks. And then I'm off to the gym. You probably see Aurora is going to be big guy and is leaving early. It's a shame that they let them keep their jobs after stealing millions. That could be a great point. Yes, sir. All right, on to new things. We're seeing the indexes pull just mildly into the red. Not too bad of a day. Thanks for anybody new to the stream. Thanks for those 2 dislikes. I appreciate it. And thanks for those 9 likes. So the Dow's down 0.27%, S&P, and then NASDAQ just a touch in the red. Not too bad today. There was one other thing I wanted to take a look at. Commodities. Let's take a look at commodities, guys. Oops, there we go. He's leaving because he's made all the money he needs to make and he's going to run now. Could happen. We're seeing gold higher again today, up 0.12%, silver up 0.6%, crude oil dipping down a little bit, down 1.84% after that crazy run. So crude looking pretty good still. All right, guys, so let's take a quick look at Tilray. We haven't checked in on Tilray for a while. So what do you guys think about Tilray trading in and around $100? Is Tilray finally making that recovery, or what's going on? So Tilray hit a low of 66. We're back up to about $100. Seems like we could see some support in the $90 to $100 range for Tilray. Wonder if we'll ever get back up to 300. Doesn't even show on the charts. That's so nuts. Thank you for doubling my likes, guys. Thank you. Let's take a look at a few other companies. We're going to look at alkaline water. Yeah, I'm interested too to see what happens for Tilray earnings. We'll wait and find out. Pure Global Cannabis, we're going to take a quick look at. Aurora Cannabis, we're going to look at. TGOD, we're going to look at. And give me one more stock to look at. Give me one more suggestion and I'll take a look at that for you guys. Boss. Hey, that's a great stock. We're already going to take a look at ACB, and Boss is a very interesting one. Yield Growth Corp. So we will take a look at TGOD, but Yield Growth Corp, we're actually talking to them about doing a potential ad campaign for them. So just some information about the stock and stuff. It's pretty cool. We talked to the president of the company last week. So anyways, guys, let's take a quick look at a few different companies. So we're seeing alkaline water up 14%, up $0.50. This was a stock that was brought to my attention in and around $3, and wow, it's looking like it's making a nice run today, but the chart looks like it's got a heck of a lot more room to run, potentially back up to $5-6. So I like these beverage companies. We actually don't own any direct beverage companies. So the two stocks I was looking at was NBev and potentially this one and some smaller ones, but I just hate to buy it after such a run like this. Pure Global Cannabis, back up to 19 cents, up 2 cents, up 11.76%. Pure looks like it's going to start to climb again, so we'll see if we can start to take off again. Just wondering, any thoughts about changing his mind every video? I feel like he's going to burn through that cash. Yeah, I don't know, man. I've been out of touch with Cyber for a little while. Haven't really watched many of his videos. I know he's made a couple trades. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. I don't really have a comment for that. So, what's going on with Huge? Down 14% today. Yeah, I know. We were just talking about that. We're going to get into that. We're going to quickly recap Pure Global, ACBT, Tilray, FSD Pharma, and Boss. And then we are out of here because we're going to hit up the gym. So, anyways, guys, Pure Global is definitely one on my watch list. We did buy it in and around this level. And hopefully they can head back up into the 30-cent range. So, ACB. Actually, you know what, guys? We'll save the best for last. We'll save ACB for last. We'll just close these additional tabs. We're not going to look at Tilray again. Let's quickly look at Yield Growth Corp. So they haven't been public for very long. The stock's a fairly new stock. Come on, guys. There we go. The stock has ran like crazy, though, since their IPO. From like 20 cents to 47 cents. Stock looks to be putting in some support at around the 40-cent range. So we'll see what happens, guys. I definitely like what this company's doing. I spoke with their president. She said they've got a lot of stuff in the pipeline and their products are looking really awesome. So, cool company. I want to do coverage on that company. Anyways, Huge. FSD Pharma. I feel like there's such a love-hate relationship with FSD Pharma. So many people. It's loved and hated at the same time. So let's zoom in on FSD and see what exactly is going on. So they were starting to put in a bottom, you know, around 28 to 30 cents. Huge run is over. Huge run is over. By chance, have you looked at TrueLeaf? It's a Canadian-based marijuana company. CannTrust is undervalued. I probably agree with that. Think about it. Could be a monster. So, TrueLeaf. I'll take a look at TrueLeaf in a second for you, buddy. We'll replace Tilray with TrueLeaf. There we go. TrueLeaf Medicine International. Okay. Anyways, back to FSD Pharma, guys. I don't know where the stock's headed. There's talk about a reverse split. And yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. Buying it when it's down 15%, not to I'd be a lot more happy about buying it on a day like today versus a day like yesterday, though. This time next year, Aurora is going to be $30. The volumes were crazy on that, so overbought. Gonna have to agree. Oh, so it's TRUL. Sorry. I think he's talking about TrueLeaf, like this one, but TRUL, I know what you're talking about. TrueLeaf Cannabis. Which one? Which one? We'll take a look at both. We're gonna move on to TGOD though. I've been wanting to take a look at TGOD for a while, just as I do kind of think TGOD's hopefully putting in a bottom. We dipped, oh man, TGOD dropped so much. From almost $10 down to like $2.25. We have been making a nice little bounce though for T-God, 225 to almost $3. That's a pretty decent gain. But in the grand scheme of things, T-God's still super cheap. It's down so much. Let's take a look and see what their current market cap is. So current market cap for T-God is 750 million. So still quite a big company. 269 million shares, and the weekly range, 52-week range of 219 to 1024. Yeah, probably not Trulieve. He said it was a Canadian and TRUL is American. Yep. Just wait a few quarters and the brick and mortar opens up. This will reflect on the stocks. I'm a chronic smoker and I haven't even ordered online. Yeah, I agree with that. The brick and mortar is so much better than the online ordering. I don't know why they didn't start that with brick and mortar shops. Like, it actually really pissed me off. Hate-love relationship. I like that. Spring breakout. What's up, Jolanda? What's up? Hit that like button for anybody new to the stream. Thank you guys for joining. I'm happy to have over 50 people in the room now. Choom, slow to the game. Yes, I'm going to agree with that. So, yeah, we're seeing a 6% gain on T-God. What do you guys think about T-God? I think it's still pretty cheap at these levels, personally. Now we're going to take a quick look at ACB. I want to see ACB $10 real soon. That'd be super nice. That'd be a nice late Christmas present. We'll see what happens though. But ACB does look like it's gaining some momentum. Do you think the broker said Canopy would have $1 billion revenue in 18 months? Was paid to say that in some way? Potentially. I think there's so much money behind the scenes for influential people. What's up, Mock Lab? Thanks for joining this stream. What time are we at now? 17 minutes. Maybe I'll go to 20 some minutes. So anyways, guys, ACB at 850. Charts are looking pretty good. I want to see ACB hold at least $8, and then hopefully we can hold that and move higher. I'd like to see ACB in the double digits. That'd be really sweet. Let's just go to $10 and hold that. That would be awesome. CXI, I pulled out NR yesterday with Silver State acquisition close for next week, along with 2 other acquisitions closed by end of January. Tomorrow we find out who gets the 25 stores in Ontario. That's correct, right? The lottery? I'm not too sure, actually. But those stores are going to be huge. I feel like brick and mortar stores are really going to change things, but we'll see how long it takes for them to actually get there, because I know a lot of municipalities were outlawing it, which is absolutely ridiculous. Come on, guys. Think about it from someone's perspective who doesn't smoke cannabis. Are they going to order it online without even seeing it, without even smelling it? I don't think so. AKA, my parents would never do that. But I'm trying to get my dad to mess around with CBDs because I feel like they'd be good for him. So we'll see. See if we can get pops on the CBDs. Thanks so much for joining my stream, guys. The people just keep going up. We're at 60 people now. Hit that like button and let's keep rolling. So I'll recap the markets now. If we can make it up to 70, I'll stay for 5 more minutes. Or maybe even longer. Although I do really want to hit the gym. So we're seeing IGC. IGC lead this show up 22%. What is going on with this stock? I think I want to take IGC off of our watch list. Does anybody even care about IGC anymore? I bought Aurora at 917. I'm comfortable with that, knowing what they stand for. Yeah, I mean, at this point you're almost break even, so I wouldn't worry at all about that one. Unless the market decides to crash again. Yeah, I think IGC is dead. Guys, should I hit the delete button? Should I hit the delete button? I want you guys to vote. Are we taking IGC off the watch list? Okay, we've got 2 votes For IGC dead, 1 vote for keep IGC. Three votes for delete, delete. Oh, goodbye IGC. That okay? IGC's done. All right, guys. So that's one less stock for me to talk about. Thank you very much. I was gonna take IGC off not that long ago, anyways. Delete Aurora. Hey Nick, you better be careful about what you say about Aurora in this live stream. It's settled, the people have spoken. Be gone with the demon stock IGC. Goodbye. I need a new button for this. Or I can just record something new. You know, I can record whatever I want on these buttons. What's up, guys? Ready?
What's up, guys?
Wait. IGC is dead.
IGC is dead.
Oh wait, I've got an idea. I've got a really good idea. What's up, Derek? Aurora does it again. You know what, guys? It's one of those days.
Aurora does it again.
Alright. So, enough messing around. Let's get back into this. Don't want to mute my microphone. Wall Street's 5-day rally flatters. Are they looking worth looking at? Namaste, cooling off for now. Not a big run. Yes. I lost 10 people because I redid the button. Like, are you kidding me, guys? You guys don't like my button? U.S. stocks edged 0.4% lower on Friday as investors booked profits after a 5-day rally and reset positions ahead of earnings season, which will begin with big Wall Street banks next week. Built on optimism over China U.S. trade talks, strong U.S. jobs data, and the Fed's promise for patience with interest rate hikes added 6% to the S&P, lifting it about 10% from the 20-month low hit around Christmas. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Isn't on anybody's watch list, and don't laugh. Grow life. I should record at the gym. I mean, that'd be hilarious if I had a cameraman. What am I gonna be on the bench press? Like, Aurora's up 10%. ACB. That'd be ridiculous. That'd be kind of funny though. But I mean, I want to make a comedy channel. I think that'd be kind of funny actually, but not into that yet. Do you believe that this is an uptrend for ACB, or will they drop down again to 6 to 7? Yeah, I'm glad to make my effing money back from ACB. That's right, Mark. No, just vlog your day. Okay. No, that's cool. I mean, I don't really have a workout channel, but I'm definitely going to do another vlog. Next Thursday, we're going to be in Toronto at the CN Tower for a cannabis event, and I'm going to be vlogging with Investing Hustler, so we're pretty pumped about that. I'm going to do another vlog with him. Last vlog was like really my first vlog, so it was all right. I've lost 10,000 shares of Aurora at a cost of 75,000 euros. It's lost 31,000 so far. Do you think it will get my money back anytime soon? Watson Baker, what did you buy at, sir? Hit that like button if you want to make all of your money back and then some. I'm listening to, one sec, let me just find out what it is. Jordan Edmonds mystery vlog. No copyright music. Can't be playing that copyrighted music on live stream. Gonna get monetization disableized. That wouldn't be good. That would not be good. So guys, we're gonna recap the markets one more time, and then I'm gonna hit the gym, and then I'm gonna record that market minute for you guys, and I'm gonna have more green to report for you guys, hopefully. I mean, stocks hopefully won't crash in the next hour and a half. So we are seeing Tilray, now that IGC's done though, we're seeing Tilray lead the show, up 22%. I sold at 850 to buy lower. International Canada brands finally above 10 cents and holding, I hope, up 15% today to 11 cents. Alkaline water stock, one stock that I really want to look at, but now I'm sad because it's up 15%. Pure Global putting in more gains, up 11%. Choom Choom up to 50 cents, over 54 cents. Wow, ACB putting in those 8.67% gains. Hopefully we can hold on to those for the rest of the day, up to 850. Victoria Gold Corp end year explode will be producing gold. Bin Insight. Thanks, Ross. Victoria Gold, you know what? Might just have to add that to our gold mining portfolio. We'll cover that stock for you. 1 second. How am I skipping over this? Hexo, TRST, and OGI. I love those three stocks. Those are three awesome picks, Billy. Victoria Gold Corp. Adding that. Thank you, sir. Yep, I think mid caps will outperform large caps and small caps. The small cap's gonna have to be really good for it to perform. And I think a lot of small caps will go down this year or get bought out when they're super cheap if they have really good assets. It's a good time to buy ACB. Can't comment on that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I don't know. I'm neutral on ACB, to be honest, right now, but I do like where they're at. I'm happy they're above $8. Red flag, the Vic has gone to Aphria. I don't know. Maybe a change is good for, excuse me, maybe a change is good for Aphria. Hey Aaron, come to the gym. Extreme Coacher in Etobicoke. We can talk about how much we love ACB. Yeah, when you're on that last rep and you're like, I can't make it, I'll just be like, bro, think about ACB, and you'll get there. I'm in Waterloo though, but I'm moving to Toronto this year. Planning to move to Toronto this year. Yes, sir. So, anyways, guys, I'm out. I gotta hit the gym. What time is it? It's like 28 minutes, so right around the half-hour mark for this live stream. I'm trying to do half-hour live streams, so thank you so much for everybody who joined the stream. Hit that like button if you didn't already, and yeah, let's keep this rally going. My gosh, another green day. Another green day. How couldn't you be happy? Cha-ching. Cha-ching. We'll hit that button twice for ACB, and then we're out. Have a good day, guys. Have a green day, guys. We'll see you in our market minutes. Alrighty? So make sure to check out our market minutes. Drop between 5 and 6 p.m. And we'll see